Standard 2nd, Subject English 1.8 Reading Time. Video created by Namrata Sawan. Look and say. Board, फळा. Chalk, खडू. Table, मेज. Chair, खुर्ची. Benches, लिहिण्याची जागा. डेस्क, आसन किंवा बसण्याची जागा. बुक्स, पुस्तके. डोअर, दरवाजा. विंडो, खिडकी. कबर्ड, कपाट. डस्टबिन, कचऱ्याचा डब्बा. रीडिंग टाइम. This is my classroom. There is a big board on the wall. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. She also has a chair to sit on. She is busy the whole day. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. Our classroom has a door and 2 windows. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's works on various topics. Our teacher also show us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. It is fun to watch the films. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean. 1 म्हणजे एक, many म्हणजे अनेक. बोर्ड, boards, chalk, chalks, table, tables, chair, chairs. Bench, benches, desk, desks, book, books, door, doors. Window, windows. Cupboard, cupboards. Dustbin, dustbins. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ आवडला का? आवडला ना? मग नक्की लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि पुढील व्हिडिओच्या नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉनला टच करा. धन्यवाद.